miles northwest of Fordyce. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for southern Prairie County in central Arkansas, west central Monroe County in eastern Arkansas, southern Lonoke County in central Arkansas, north central Jefferson County in southeast Arkansas, northwestern Arkansas County in southeast Arkansas, until 8 p.m. At 7:27 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This severe storm was located 4 miles south of England, or 20 miles north of Pine Bluff. Doppler radar showed this severe storm moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. In addition to the tornado, this storm is capable of producing large damaging hail up to golf ball size. Locations in the path of this dangerous storm include Stuttgart, Hazen, Devall's Bluff, Ullum, Stuttgart Municipal Airport, Rowe, Pepper's Landing, Parker's Corner, Humnoke, Hallsville, England, Brummett, Tucker, Cumberland, Tollville, Slovak, Seaton, Fairmount. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 194 and 202. A tornado